Welcome to the fascinating world of quantum physics, where reality surpasses the bounds of fantasy. Today, we will introduce how quantum physics is silently changing our world, from pocket devices to advanced medical technologies. Quantum physics deals with the smallest particles in the universe, where the boundaries between energy and matter blur. We will see how these micro-worlds influence our reality and introduce you to the basic quantum principles that underpin today's technology. Quantum physics opens doors to a world of limitless possibilities. We will imagine how quantum computers could revolutionize data processing and the significance of quantum cryptography for the security of our information. In this part, we will focus on two fascinating aspects of quantum physics: superposition and quantum entanglement. Let's start with quantum superposition. Imagine a particle that can be in different states at the same time, for instance, being in multiple places simultaneously. This seemingly impossible phenomenon is common in the quantum world. The particle remains in these multiple states until we observe it. At that point, it decides on a specific state. This phenomenon has a massive impact on developing technologies such as quantum computers, which can process vast amounts of data thanks to the ability to be in many states at once. Moving on to quantum entanglement. Here, we have two particles that are interconnected in such a way that the state of one particle instantly affects the state of the other, regardless of their distance apart. This phenomenon, which Einstein referred to as spooky action at a distance, is fundamental to technologies like quantum cryptography, enabling extremely secure data transmission. Now we move from quantum computers to another practical application of quantum physics: MRI scanners, which are an invaluable tool in modern medicine. MRI scanners utilize the quantum properties of atoms to provide detailed images of the internal structures of the human body. They work on the principle of nuclear magnetic resonance, where a strong magnetic field and radio waves cause certain atoms in the body, particularly hydrogen, to resonate. These resonant signals are then captured and processed by a computer to create an image that can reveal detailed information about tissues and organs. Thanks to quantum physics, we can explore the human body and diagnose various health conditions without invasive procedures. Today, we have delved into the fascinating world of quantum physics and its effects on our everyday reality. We hope this video has inspired and expanded your knowledge. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments.